How to remove your Instagram account from another device. So in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you the easy way to remove your Instagram account from another device. So first of all, open the Instagram application and make sure to log in on your Instagram account. Then select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile feed. Once you get access to this page, select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this will let you access to the settings and activity page. Now just tap on Account Center under your account settings or your account. Once you open the Account Center, under this account settings, simply you need to select the password and security option. Now on this section, you can easily select where you are logged in under security checks and select the Instagram account that you want to know the devices that have been logged in on your Instagram account. You can easily see the logins on all the devices. So if you want to remove those Instagram account from another device, you can need to select devices to log out option here and simply select any device that you want to log out. So simply select the logout button at the bottom of the screen and now tap on logout option. And once you have done that, you have successfully removed your Instagram account from another device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.